I want to make this video to quickly let you guys know that I've decided this channel is going to focus more on video editing as well as tech. So if you're here for how to grow on YouTube content or learn how much I earn on any of my other YouTube channels or how to grow TikTok or Instagram or whatnot, I have a new channel. It is called Channel Elevate. Feel free to check it out. There'll be a link in the description below. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.